Hello, kids! This is Captain AHS. Snow is falling, and creativity is calling. Join the kids as they explore a magical world of shapes and colors using exciting tools to design their own winter masterpieces in Paint 3D.
Mina, let's build a snowman. It's too cold to stay outside for long. What if we make a snowman using the computer instead? With Paint 3D. Let's make it together. Yes. Sure. Firstly, we are going to open the Paint 3D and select the 3D shapes. We can adjust the size of spheres accordingly. After making the body and face of snowman, we will add the arms by selecting the line from 2D shapes. Yay! It's coming in the shape now. Now, we will add the eyes and button on the body of snowman. At last, we will select a cone shape to make it look like carrot and using to make the nose of snowman. Exactly, Mina. Wow! It's so beautiful. This is even better than a real snowman. Wouldn't it be amazing if we could create a magical winter castle?
Let's make one on the computer using Paint 3D.
Yay!
Let's go do a.
We'll use cubes and cylinders for the base of the castle.
I am gonna select the cone to make the tower.
Saro, make sure to resize and adjust it carefully to make the best tower.
Dua, it's looking like a castle now.
Let's do some more changes.
Let's change the color by selecting each shape.
It is a fun activity to draw.
Paint 3D is a magical app for real.
It's time for the quiz. Which tool is used to draw 2D shapes in Paint 3D? Option A, brush tool. Option B, 2D shapes tool. Option C, 3D doodle tool. Option B, 2D shapes tool. Which slider is used to adjust the thickness of 2D shapes outline of Paint 3D? Option A, shadow slider. Option B, outline thickness slider. Option C, fill slider. Option B, outline thickness slider. How can you create a 3D version of shapes in Paint 3D? Option A, use the 3D Shapes tool. Option B, use the Effects menu. Option C, draw with the marker tool. Option A, use the 3D Shapes tools. What is the purpose of the Fill option in 2D Shapes tool? Option A, to change the background color. Option B, to make the shape transparent. Option C, to fill the inside of the shape with a color or pattern. Option A, to fill inside of the shape with a color or pattern. Which of the following shapes can be created using the 3D Shapes tool in Paint 3D? Option A. Your winter shapes have come to life. Next time, get ready to dive into the world of simple digital artwork, where imagination turns into colorful creations.